Hi, Donna Guest here, the Lazy Scrapbooker and Creative Memories Advisor, and I'm here to announce an exciting collaboration. I'm here with two of my favorite fellow CM advisors and scrapbook friends, the amazing Nicole Soh and the fabulous Debbie Martin. So these ladies I have known for a while now and got to spend some time with them at advisor retreats and sitting with them and scrapbooking with them. They're awesome people, so much fun, and we are collaborating as the Savvy Scrapbookers. What we're going to do is show you how to use one collection to create multiple pages. So once a month, we're taking one collection and we divided them up between the three of us. We'll each use a portion to create a 2-page spread so you can use your entire paper pack, sticker back, and embellishments to create your own pages while using all your supplies with very little product left over. So our scrapbooking styles, while we all bring something different to the table, they really look good together and complement each other nicely. So I think you'll be happy with all these pages when you get them together. So I'm so excited about working with these two. They're extremely creative and they're both really good teachers. I'm going to let these two ladies tell you a little bit about themselves, starting with Debbie.
Hi, I'm Debbie Martin from Dyer, Indiana. My YouTube channel is Debbie's Scrapbooking Buddies and Paper Back to Pretty Pages. I love doing fast, easy pages. That's how I scrapbook, and that is how I teach my classes. So I'm looking forward to working with these two girls.
All right, thank you. And Nicole.
Hey, my name is Nicole Soh, and I'm also a Creative Members Advisor in North Alabama. And I also like fast and easy pages, but I find that what I tend to do here on my YouTube channel is a little bit more complicated pages, because I love sometimes to really be creative and kind of let my creativity run wild. So you'll see, hopefully they won't be hard, but they might be a little bit more involved than what you get from Donna and Debbie.
All right, thank you, Nicole. Now, this is going to happen. Here's the plan. On the second Wednesday of every month, we'll each share our own video showing how to create our 2-page spread. It's going to be around, I think, 6:45 Eastern Time, 5:45 Central Time. And on each of our videos in the description, you'll find a link to take you to the other videos. So if you're watching mine on the Lazy Scrapbooker, in the description, you're going to have a link to take you to Nicole's video and Debbie's video. And the same on their channels as well. Now, this month, we're taking on the Creative Memories Collection, Silver and Gold. If you want to follow along, here's what you'll need, but of course you can watch the video at any time. We're going to be using the Silver and Gold accent paper pack, border stickers, and embellishments. I think we have a couple of sheets of shimmer cardstock thrown in, maybe black and the platinum, but we're also going to be using a couple of the tools that went along with this collection, the damask, flourish, frame punch, that's a mouthful, and from the Border Maker system, the brocade chain cartridge. So we can't wait to help you use all of your Creative Memories products and get more pages done. See you guys next Wednesday, January the 11th.